everyone, I'm Babes Kanson. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve system equation using elimination and substitution method in two variables. So the first one would be the elimination method. So consider this following two equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. And 5x minus 3y is equal to negative 1. How can you solve this following equation using the elimination, or which is also known as the addition method? Using elimination, what you need to do is to add this equation. So, as you can see, y would be much easier to eliminate. So, we cancel this out. Then, 2x plus 5x is equal to 7x. And 8 plus negative 1 is equal to 7. Then, to find the value of x, divide both sides by 7. So, x is equal to 1. So, the value of your x is equal to 1. Now, once you find the value of your x, you can plug in any of these two equations to find the value of your y. So, let's use the first one. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Since we have the value of our x, simply substitute this into this equation. 2 times 1 plus 3y is equal to 8. 2 times 1 is equal to 2 plus 3y is equal to 8. Now, subtract both sides by 2 to eliminate this one. So, 3y is equal to 6. Then, divide both sides by 3 to find the value of your y. So, 6 divided 3 is equal to 2. So, the value of your y is equal to 2. Now, we need to check if our answer is correct. So, using this equation, simply substitute x and y. Since the value of our x is equal to 1 and the value of our y is equal to 2. Using this equation, simply substitute this value to this equation. So, 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2 is equal to 8. So 2 times 1 is equal to 2 plus 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So it's correct. Next equation. 5 times 1 minus 3 times 2 is equal to negative 1. 5 times 1 is equal to 5 minus 3 times 2 equals to 6 is equal to negative 1. So 5 minus 6 is equal to negative 1. So it's also correct. Since our x and y is correct, therefore our solution is 1 and 2. That's how to solve two variables using elimination method. Now let's try another example. Let's say 2x plus 5y is equal to 19, and also x minus 2y is equal to negative 4. So this example is a little bit different. So as you can see, if we add this equation, x or y, we cannot cancel it completely. So we need to modify it. we need to find out if we want to cancel x or y. Since x has the smaller number, we will try to cancel x. All we need to do is to multiply the second equation by 2. Since we have a positive 2 here and we want this to be negative 2 to cancel it out. So, I'm going to write the first equation. Now, multiply everything in the second equation. So, x times negative 2 is equal to negative 2x, and negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 4y, and negative 4 times negative 2 is equal to 8. Cancel this out. So, add both equations. So, 5y plus 4y is equal to 9y, and 19 plus 8 is equal to 27. Divide both sides by 9 to find the value for y. So, y is equal to 3. Now, since you have the value of your y, plug in any of these two equations to find the value of your x. So, let's use the first one. So, substitute y to this equation. 2x plus 5 times 3 is equal to 19. So 2x plus 15 is equal to 19. Subtract both sides by negative 15. Cancel this out. So, then divide both sides by 2 to find the value of your x. So, x would be 2. Therefore, our solution is 2 and 3. So, if you are not satisfied or if you are not comfortable, if your answer is correct, then try to check this value to these two equations, just like what I did a minute ago. Now let's move on how to solve system equation using substitution method. So the first equation that we have is y is equal to 5 minus 2x, and also 4x plus 3y is equal to 13. So what should we do here if we want to solve this by substitution? Now what we're gonna do here is to replace y by this equation, since y is equal to 5 minus 2x. Now we have 4x plus 3, substitute y into 5 minus 2x. Now let's go ahead and distribute 3. So we have 4x, 3 times 5 is equal to 15, 3 times negative 2x is equal to negative 6x. In the next step, we need to combine like terms. So 4x minus negative x is equal to negative 2x plus 15. Next, subtract both sides by negative 15 to cancel this out. So negative 2x is equal to negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 2 to find the value of your x. So our x is equal to 1. Since you have the value of your x, you just need to plug this in to this first equation to find the value of your y. So y is equal to 5 minus 2x. Substitute x. 2 times 1. So y 5 minus negative 2. So the value of our y is 3. Therefore, our solution is 1 and 3. So again, if we are not satisfied with our solution, we need to substitute this value into these two variables. Since our x is 1 and y is 3, we need to substitute this value to this equation to check if our answers are correct. So 1, substitute x, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So correct. Next one. Substitute x. Substitute y. So 9 plus 14 and 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So again, it's also correct. Therefore, our answer is correct. Now, what about this example? Let's say y is equal to 3x plus 2 and y is equal to 7x minus 6. How can we solve this using substitution? Let's see. We can replace this value into this one. So we can have 3x plus 2 is equal to 7x minus 6. Now we can find the value of our x. Here, we need to subtract both sides by negative 3x to cancel this out and positive 6 to cancel that out. Then I add both equations. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. And 7x plus negative 3x is equal to 4x. So divide both sides by 4 to find the value of your x. So our x is equal to 2. So again, since you have the value of your x, simply plug in any of this equation here to solve for your y. So let's use the first one. So substitute x with 2. So 3 times 2 plus 2 so y is equal to 6 plus 2, and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So our solution is 2 and 8. So again, if you're not satisfied, try to check your answer with substitution using this value with these variables. And that's how to solve system equation using substitution method.